Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by blocking in shapes so proportions stay right. Place a large oval for the torso and a slightly offset circle for the head. This gives posture immediately. Once done, draw a vertical centerline and a horizontal eye line to position facial features accurately, and rough in limb guides with stick lines and small paw circles so you know where weight sits. These foundational marks save time later because they define balance and placement before any detail work. Now you refine. Turn the head circle into a panda face by adding a short, rounded snout, triangular ears with inner fluff, and the signature dark eye patches aligned to your eye line. Next, make the limbs volumetric by fleshing out the guidelines into cylinders and indicate paw pads with small ovals. As you outline the body, follow the fur flow, curved strokes along shoulders and hips to suggest roundness. Make sure to keep strokes confident, light sketching first, then darkening where needed. To finish, block in the black areas, ears, eye markings, limbs, and shoulders, using solid dark tones while leaving subtle highlights for fur texture. Once filled, smooth transitions with light cross-hatching or soft strokes and erase construction lines to clarify the final silhouette. Make sure to vary line weight, heavier at shadow edges, lighter on highlights for depth. If something looks off, resketch the head placement first. If eyes appear uneven, redraw the patches, using the original centerline as your guide.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.